What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Mod Watches, and this is another video to show you one of our brand new one-to-one luxury pieces going out to a client. Take a look at this, guys. It's an absolutely beautiful Daytona piece, and this one is in the light blue and the brown colorway. So it's a bit hard to pick it up in this camera. It looks black, but it's actually not black. It's a very dark brown color, and it's also got the smaller dials as well. There's 3 of them here, as with all Daytonas, of course, and those are also dark brown as well. So take a look at this, guys. Let me just turn up the brightness so you can have a look. The shine on this thing is absolutely beautiful. It comes on the oyster bracelet, as you can see here. Customer's gone for an oyster bracelet. Yeah, so what we have inside of this is an automatic D-Dong 4130 movement. You can see this is an exhibition back there, so you can have a look at that. Looks absolutely beautiful. Trying to get that in focus for you, but yeah, this is an absolute beauty of a watch. If I can show you just this under the shade a little bit, you can kind of see that beautiful blue color, that turquoise slash Tiffany blue, I think they call it. Anyway, it's a very nice watch, is this, guys. So what do we have on this? We've got a 40mm face on this. We've got a brown ceramic bezel. We've got 3 of those Cosmograph chronograph dials, which are all working. You can set them from these screw pins here, these crowns here, and then of course you've got the main sort of minute timer there, which you can see, and of course you've got the main watch as well, with the hands, with the loom applied onto those indices there, as you can see. So this one-to-one is going out for one of our very special clients. They have ordered a few more from us as well. This one is on the oyster bracelet, and you can go with a different bracelet as well if you like. It does have, apologies, I'm showing this with one hand, so I don't want to damage this, but you're just gonna have to believe me on this one. This does have a quick adjust setting on the clasp as well, so it's not a glide lock system, but it is a stepped arrangement, so you can step it a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller depending on what you want to do with your wrist. You can also of course resize the bracelet with the screw pins as well. You get 50 meters water resistance on this, guys, so you should be absolutely fine in the pool, and of course you get our video backed guarantee with each and every one of our one-to-one pieces. And what that means is we do a full quality check for you once we receive the watch. If there's anything that you're not happy with, we will give you your full refund, and there we are. So what that allows you to do is it just takes the risk off of you, you know, the reason we would do that is because there are a lot of scams in this industry, unfortunately, and we just want to try and do what we can to protect you, and of course that's one of our sort of promises, and you are not going to find that video back guarantee anywhere else on the market. We are the only ones to do that, and we do that because we believe in every single one of our watches that we send out. So if you want any more details on this watch, or you want to discuss grabbing yourself one of these, please do check out the link underneath this video. Get in touch with our team and we will be more than happy to sort you out. Alright, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.